Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be talking about how your broker leverage impacts your EA Forex trading results in this video, and we're going to be doing really detailed calculations to show you the impact. Now, a few weeks ago I produced this video that you see on the screen, how leverage impacts two Forex traders, and this talks about manual trading. So we did quite a few calculations to show you the impact of leverage on manual traders. And that is why I'm making this video, because I had a big response coming back saying, well, how does it impact EA traders? And the majority of traders these days are EA traders. Now, to watch this video, just click the link that will appear over here, and there is the actual link if you have trouble with that. The link will also appear in the description of this video. So to do this EA test, we need two tools. The first one is a service that automates the testing of any EA very quickly and in a lot more detail. Now, because of this, the optimization results are always up to date and can be done very quickly and regularly. We can test more currencies and more time frames because of this efficiency. And the big thing about this is that the results can be leverage based. And that's the topic of this video, when I show you the different results as a result of leverage. Now, the impact of this service is actually fantastic, because it means that every EA becomes a set and forget EA, because you can purchase the EA, select the currency and time frame you want to trade from a list of results, so you can actually see the results of the particular currency and time frame that you are selecting. You can determine the leverage that you are going to use based on what you receive from your broker and where you are located in the world, and you can download fresh set files into the EA for immediate activation. No need to do any calibration or anything like that. So it's the lazy trader's dream. Generally, we do testing on high quality tick data over 12 months using 4 leverages in the process. So the other tool that we need is an EA. So we've selected our time of day hedging EA, and there's a reason why we selected this one. It is fairly successful. As you can see on the screen, we've only had 4 refunds from clients that have not been happy with these results that they're getting from this particular EA. But the reason why we selected it was because it trades lots of trades and has many open trades. What it does is it opens a buy and a sell at the same time every day, and through clever transaction management, both can become positive depending on the price movement in the market. So, but what happens in the process is that you have a lot of open deals floating around all the time, up to about 40 deals at some stages, depending on which settings you use. So this is an ideal EA to test the impact of leverage, because there's a lot of open deals. So let's have a look at the results that we got. Now, here's a list of the results that we got using 10 currencies over 4 types of leverage, and they generated 40 sets of settings so quickly. It was absolutely fantastic. And we then summarize it. A potential client can then just go down and say, oh, I want to trade this currency because of this return on investment or this return on drawdown, and the set file is immediately available. And this is quite an interesting, you can see the pound's always been successful, which leverage you use, and the results overall are pretty robust throughout a lot of currencies. 455% return on investment. Remember, we are using an account of $10,000, and we're using fixed lots of 0.1 lot over a 12-month period. So that's a 444% return, which means that in your account you'd have $55,000 after a year. Anyway, so that's the object of this was really to see the different results that you get based on leverage. And what we've done is we've basically averaged all the currencies and created an average there, and then compared that. And let's look on the next page to see the results. So here are the averages for the 400, 150, and 33 results. And clearly, high leverage does give better results. 25 was the average for the 10 currencies that we traded. And you can see the drawdowns were pretty high, but the return on drawdown, so in other words, the profit divided by the drawdown, is still nice and high, and the return on investment, which is your profit divided by the 10,000 that we use, is still very nice. So that's the best result that we've got, and then the results go down as the leverage goes down. So as you can see, and then the worst results are the low leverage, the 33 or 30% leverage that applies there. But if you look at the relationship, if you look, we've got 400 to 1 up there, and we've got 33 to 1 down here. You know, that's more than 10% less, but the profits are not 10% less. So a lot of people would say, you know, it's much safer trading the 33%, 33% leverage, because your drawdowns, look at the drawdowns, average drawdown pretty high up there, average drawdown pretty a lot lower down here. So your profit is lower, but your drawdown is lower, and it actually means your percentage return on your drawdown is actually higher than the 400 to 1 leverage. So a lot of people will actually say, no, that's actually a better deal to trade lower leverage. Your return on investment drops because of the profitability, but a lot of people would say, for the increased security of low drawdowns, I'm prepared to give up some returns. So the conclusion really is, although leverage plays a role, it might not have the big impact that many people believe. In fact, when we started testing this EA, we believed that it would not work on a 33 to 1 leverage, and we were incredibly surprised. So it is important for you to test things very thoroughly, not just have conclusions in your mind before you even tested something. So these results were actually quite surprising to us. Hey, what's going on? I'm trying to make a video here. So overall, leverage need not be a limitation on profitability, but you do need to test your EA thoroughly using different account sizes and an appropriate leverage before using it. So you might find the contents of this video interesting, and if you do have any comments or any questions, please use the YouTube comment section below this video to make your comments or raise your questions. The links provided in the video, there are clickable links, but there will also be clickable links in the description of the video. If you've liked this video, please like it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you have subscribed, please click on the bell to receive any new videos that I make. Also, please share this video with any other Forex traders you know if you think it would add value to their trading. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.